MoneyGram promo codes are digital discounts that help you save money on international transfers. In 2025, these codes have become essential tools for reducing transfer costs. MoneyGram offers various promotional codes to compete with fintech companies and attract digital-first customers. Promo codes are digital discounts applied during the transfer process. They help MoneyGram compete with modern fintech companies by offering cost savings to customers using their mobile app or website. MoneyGram offers 5 main types of promo codes. Fee reduction codes provide fixed dollar amounts off, typically $5 to $15. Percentage discounts offer 10 to 25% off the total transfer cost. First-time user codes provide free or heavily discounted initial transfers. Seasonal promotions target holidays like Diwali or Christmas. Volume-based codes reward customers making multiple or high-value transfers. Promo codes have specific characteristics and limitations. They are typically single-use per customer account and have time-limited validity, usually 30 to 90 days. Many codes require minimum transfer amounts and may have geographic restrictions. In 2025, MoneyGram has shifted focus to digital-first promotional strategies. 70% of promo codes now target mobile app users, with AI-driven personalized offers becoming common. This helps MoneyGram compete effectively with fintech companies like Wise and Remitly. Finding MoneyGram promo codes requires knowing where to look. There are 3 main categories of sources that consistently offer these money-saving codes. First, check official MoneyGram channels. Their website has a dedicated promotions page, and their mobile app sends push notifications with exclusive codes. Email newsletters often contain subscriber-exclusive codes, while social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter regularly post promotional campaigns. Third-party coupon platforms are gold mines for promo codes. RetailMeNot consistently updates MoneyGram codes, while Honey automatically applies codes during checkout. Groupon occasionally features MoneyGram deals, while Coupons.com and Slick Deals provide community-driven code sharing with regular updates. Partner retailers offer location-specific and exclusive codes. Walmart provides both in-store and online MoneyGram promotions, while CVS Pharmacy and 7-Eleven run periodic campaigns. To maximize your savings, combine promo codes with cashback platforms like Rakuten. Sign up for multiple notification channels and time your transfers around holidays when the best promotions typically appear. Remember to always check expiration dates and verify geographic eligibility before using any promo code. These strategies will help you consistently find and use MoneyGram promo codes effectively.